Right then guys, got this one here. Fortunately, straight back into the vehicle. He's asked us to store it and deal with the insurance all on his behalf. So this is exactly what we're doing today. Again in the yard. Really need to get this yard sorted. It does me head in. But it's here. It works. Let's do it. Let's just get this off now. This one, guys, the front wheels have locked up. I think the brake, well, the cylinders have gone down when it's crashed, so all the pedals gone hard. So on this one, skates are needed, and we'll show you how we get them off. Right then. Oh, beauty. Right then, as I've shown before, lads and girls. This one we might just have to put the pin just down, because I'm not going to get it round there because it was loaded. They can't all load them like me, can they?